Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously, create dozens of quick lists, display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Hello, hello, 1 2. 1 2 1 2. Oh, you got it? Okay. Sorry, little problem of microphone. I have a spare here. Okay. So welcome everyone to the Swing Trading Show, May 3rd, 2017. So it's a correction day, not very big correction, but it's still a correction. And there are a few sectors in danger right now, energy, mine, gold, and pretty hard to know what to do. It's not a huge movement, but definitely it puts a stop on the last bullish cycle on NASDAQ. The Dow was going down this morning. It's not positive right now, but very, very slightly down. And the SPY is the same, but the TS6 has a bigger correction. It was down 75 points at one point. We have then the US dollar hasn't given any direction yet, and that's an important factor. Whenever the US dollar goes up here within its triangle formation or down, it's going to make a big difference because it's an important support, a 3-month tested support. So if it goes down, it would break the support. It will begin a new bearish cycle, and it will also begin a new downtrend. So that would have a positive effect probably on the resources, but for the moment the resources are pretty weak. We're going to come back on it soon. First, some financial results. Apple, we're predicting $2.02. They got $2.10. So there was no reason for the stock to go down this morning, and also they increased their dividend by 10.5%, and also they also added 35 billion to their buyback program. SM Energy minus 35 to minus 18, despite the fact that the stock was going up this morning and now it went down because the sector is negative. Weight Watcher broke out again this morning on the better earnings. They were predicting minus 6, they got minus 1. Akamai with 2 cents better has plunged. I don't know the reason for that. And First Solar was breaking out this morning, went up to a certain point, and now it keeps going down. They had minus 15 in prediction, and they ended up with plus 25. 59 to 65 for Yum Brand. So the stock has broke out today, and Etsy is going down on 1 cent to 0. Sprint minus 3 to minus 7. It's been really badly interpreted by the community. Look, it's down on the support. Past that, it's a downtrend. And Gillhead is going down on 228 to 223. Tahoe was predicting 1 cent. They got 24. That's why they broke out. But you know, I wonder if we should believe in this signal on earnings, especially when the sector is going bad right now. And Primero has done the same type of movement on a better earning, minus 5 cents to 0. Kinross 1 cent to 2 cents. So it's double the profit, but the doubling 1 cent only take 1 cent. And as the gold. The gold trend is threatened right now, and CGE is going down on its earning from 93 to 91, and Lucra Diamond hasn't reported their profit. They say they have no comparison with before, but they announced 0, and they have 48% decrease in the sale. But we had this stock in the top 5 analysts a few days ago, but still the conditions are okay. There won't be any breakdown until $3.10. And the last 2 news, Intac is going down because they have some money coming out of the company to buy one bacon at 18 cents. Hydrotherapy has suffered from some contamination or of a fungus stuff, generally used in the industry, but they said not been approved for utilization on cannabis. So they stopped the production for a while until they correct the problem. And that's all about the news. Let's check out the energy sector. You know, a few days ago we had the news saying that okay, the group of OPEC has agreed to maintain the production reduction for the first half of the year, which is ending in a couple of months, and to cover the increase of production in Canada, United States, and Libya, but the crude oil is not going up. The crude oil is sitting on an important support here, and if you look at the daily chart, we're today we still have 3 negative peaks. So if it breaks down until 985, we will head down to the next support again. So you gotta, we have to be very, very careful with buying in the oil right now. The gas is not positive neither, and look at the stock has a very bad movement right now. See how we are testing this very important support here. So past 194, I mean, we could see some breakdown in the sector, and the gold is going down too, touching his support today, and the stock are not reacting on the downside. They're still even positive a little bit because we had a couple of stocks that were going down, were going up. I showed you, but as Kinross and also another one. And but for most of the stocks are going down. Look, Barrick is very close to a breakdown at 22 bucks. It could happen. So some stock goes up, some stock goes down. There's no acceleration on in the sales right now, but it can happen. So I think the sector is a little bit too weak to take a chance to acquire new positions in that sector. And for the mining sector, it's really going bad too, because the sector has fallen onto this on its very important support tested many times since November. And today we had Capstone retaking its downtrend, First Quantum breaking down, Tech breaking down, and Udbine close to break down. So again, the sector is not favorable at all. You should avoid it. And on any continuity on the downside, I think you should reduce your position there too. So we're going to the break.
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Last little stock to save here. Okay, now Ivanhoe Mines. Bought Ivanhoe at 531. Huh? Why do we have a question mark? We don't see the name of people. It's funny, I've never seen that. Bought EVN at 531. And it's 450. Anyway, it went to 444. So, you know, you bought at 531. It's not even on the chart here. So when you did it, 531, it was about here. Yeah. So it was there. So, but you have a sell signal right here, and you had so many signals so far. One there, one there, one there, one there. And there, and there, you know, so many of them. And right under here at 445, you got another one. So it's getting a little bit late. Now you have to take a big loss. You may as well want to take a chance that the support, because the volume is not increasing, you may want to take a chance because the stock was strong, that it will stay here and bounce back sooner or later. But I would say that the trend would be over at like 528. DUST, you bought DUST 35.33. It's 33.98 right now. That's the gold. That's on gold stocks. So I'd say it's a bullish ETF on gold stocks. So let's take the gold stocks, even though it's Canadian or US, it's about the same. So let's put them together here, gold and dust, gold dust. So I don't understand. I think I got it reversed, you know. DUST, it's the bearish, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's why. So, and so it's coming down there. But as soon as the gold, because now the gold is going down, the stocks are going up, but I think it's temporary, because it's if it goes up today on the gold, look, the gold is going down, the gold stocks are going up because of Kinross that pushed harder today, and a couple of other like Yamana with a little positive movement. And what else? I found another one somewhere. Eldorado, Primero, you know, small movement there. So that's the reason why the stock has not followed Oceana Gold, not in the index, even probably. And that's the reason why your DUST goes down. But if the gold would come back down to the support, then you will probably get back to your money. So it's pretty tough. So I think what you have to consider here is, will the stock goes down, you know? So if the stock goes back down from this point, you're going to get back into your money. So what would be the point, I'll say? I would say, looking at the TTGD right now, the gold stock, I'll say you're just about to take the decision. So I'd say if TTGD goes up here to 206.50, I think you should close the position. But I think, you know, there are still a chance to see the gold stock coming back down here, so you could get back in your money. When to go for CAT? CAT. Right here. So far, it's closer to a go out than to a get in, you know. And I don't think it's interesting until it reaches 50 cents, and I think it has to stabilize here around 45 and then break to 50, you know. So I'd say the go would be at 50, but I think the stock has also a chance to go to 27. Beware PLE. Why? Oop, yeah, of course. Oh, what's happening there too today? Let's see the healthcare. Oh, healthcare is going down. Valen is going down. Knight is going down. Most, no, that's especially PLE. So we are right there. Okay, we are right there. Past that, and it's gone down there in the last few minutes. The stock has made 2 volumes in 15 minutes, 250,000 the first 50 minutes, and 375,000. So that's over 500,000 share sold in the last 15 minutes. Ew. So of course, be aware. So it's not broken. The support is not broken yet. You know, this happened here, and the stock came back. That happened here too. So I think it's possible that the stocks come back, but not very far from here on the downside. It comes the selling point. Thanks very much for attending, everyone. We'll catch you next time.